What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out critical points or critical numbers, and then we need to determine whether the critical number represents a local minimum, local maximum, or neither. Function here we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x. So the first thing I'm going to find out the first derivative of this function, which is going to make it 3x squared minus 6x plus 6, and we need to make it equals to 0. Then I factor 3, it's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we need to find out the roots of this guy, x squared minus 2x plus 2. That's the quadratic formula. A is 1, b is negative 2, c is 2. b squared minus 4ac, which is going to be negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. It's going to be 4 minus 8, which is going to be negative 4. Since it's negative 4 is less than 0, it means that there is no root. So it means that there is no critical point in here. Because critical point is where f prime is 0 or undefined. So that's what we have here. Another example is going to be f of x equals to negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x. So derivative will be negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 3. We factor 3 is going to be negative x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. A is negative 1, b is 2, c is negative 1. b squared minus 4ac is going to be 4 minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 1, which is going to be 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So we have just one 0 here, which is going to be, when you factor, it's going to be x minus 1 to the power of 2 equals to 0. So the only critical point is going to be when x equals to 1. Now we need to figure out if it's local minimum or local maximum or neither. How do we do that? We have negative 3x minus 1 squared, and we have 0.1 in here. Here we have negative infinity, here we have positive infinity, and we have two regions. Here from negative infinity to 1 and from 1 to infinity. Let's assume number here, and let's assume a number in this region. When you sub it there, it's going to be negative 1 to the power of 2, positive times negative is going to be negative. 2, sub it there, positive times negative is going to be negative. So before and after this point is negative. So it means that it's not local minimum and it's not also local maximum. So it's going to be neither. So the critical point is neither. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.